Hi everyone, I'm Lauren with Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have the 2023 limited edition Liberty box from fatquartershop.com. This box did cost me $56.11 to have shipped here. It was a $5.29 reservation fee, and then the box itself and shipping. Okay, so when we open the box, we have stars and stripes, big and bright. And then we have this insert here that says Sweet Land of Liberty. On the back of the insert, we have 20% off here. This is for Sweetwater Fabrics. And we have a free half yard from the Stateside collection with any $25 purchase. Next, we have this insert or leaflet, pamphlet, whatever you want to call it. This shows you the box contents and the values of the items. So I'll go through this one by one and just give you an overview of what's in this box and the price of the item. So first we have these Liberty box coaster sets. This is a Fat Quarter Shop limited edition exclusive, which I believe means you cannot find this on their website. This says the 2023 Liberty box coasters are the perfect perch for a cool drink in July. Decorated with fireworks and the American flag, the ceramic set is ready to be set out at family gatherings and neighborhood parades. And this is retailing for $9.48. And I'll go ahead and take these out for you. They're wrapped in a really nice bubble wrap, so they're not going to break, which is great because, like I said, they're ceramic. All right, they're super cute. You have Land of the Free, and you have Land That I Love, USA on the bottom with the firework. Super cute. Cork backing. All right, can't wait to use these. Next, we have this tape measure. This is from Holt. This is a B vintage tape measure for Riley Blake Designs. This retails for $4.48. This is something that I really love to have, especially for my long arm whenever I load up a quilt top. When I go to measure the quilt across, this is what I use. So I love having a couple of these on hand. I can't remember if I said, but this tape measure retails for $4.48. Next, we have these red, white, and blue glass head pins by Bowen. These extra fine pins by Bowen are certainly a star in our box. Made of piano wire, the red, white, and blue glass head pins are perfect for pinning without shifting or leaving holes in your fabrics. The glass heads keep them heat safe under the iron, and the bold, bright colors always draw the eye. These retail for $8.74. Next, we have this red and blue Cute Cuts 4.5-inch square ruler. This says, "Oh, say, can you see how cute this Cute Cuts ruler is, edged in cherry red with navy blue markings." This exclusive square ruler by Holt is fun and useful for squaring up and trimming. It will come in so very handy for the apple pie pattern included in this box, and this retails for $7.98. Next, we have this apple pie Stateside Fat Quarter Bundle by Sweetwater for Moda Fabrics. And this says, "Your heart will beat true for these reds, whites, and blues." The Stateside collection by Sweetwater for Moda Fabrics goes all out on American pride, with prints ranging from classic dots and stripes to miniature flags and tossed text. This specially curated 9-piece Fat Quarter bundle is a salute-worthy sampling of all the flavors in this line, and this retails for $33.98. And I'll go ahead and show you the fabrics. I'm not going to take it apart, but I'll just kind of zip through here. So you can see this really cute kind of vintage looking striped fabric on the back. And then we have America with some white on beige with red America script. And then we have American flags on white, or that same beige. It's hard to tell. We have this kind of geometric pattern on a light blue background. We have this tossed print here. And then we have the red America with the white on a navy blue background. This cute little kind of cherry blossom on red. And then we have the American flag on a red background. And these circular stars white on the beige background. Next, we have this apple pie wall hanging pattern. And this says, "Nothing is as American as apple pie, except perhaps the grand old flag." This exclusive apple pie wall hanging pattern is quick and simple to pull together from the Stateside Fat Quarters included in this box. Please quilt and hang this wall hanging with pride for 4th of July and beyond. So you have the Fat Quarter bundle in this box. However, you also need some fabric for your binding, and you need some fabric for the backing as well. But this quilt looks like a fairly beginner-friendly quilt. These are just rectangles that come together, and then there's some more complicated piecing, I guess, up there, but I still think this is great for beginners. And this retails for $9.98. Okay, so that's all of the contents in the box. Let's go ahead and add up our total and see how much we saved. Okay, so if you remember, the box cost me $56.11 and the box contents added up to $79.12, which means that we actually made out $23.01 for this box. So that's a great savings as always. Fat Quarter Shop always does a really great job with these limited edition boxes. The Liberty box is one of my favorites, as well as the Cupid box, and then they also have their winter box. I think it's called the Jolly box. And I can't think of any other ones that they have. They used to have a Nest box, but they don't carry that anymore. But yeah, these are always a great deal and a lot of fun to see kind of the surprise of the contents inside. So thank you so much for joining me. If you like seeing these videos, please like and subscribe to let me know to keep making them. And if you need quilting services, we do have mail-in quilting available for those who are out of state or maybe don't live near the Philadelphia area in Pennsylvania. And you can find all of that information on my website, www.coffeecakequiltcompany.com, or you can also head over to our Facebook page. Coffee Cake Quilt Co. is the /Coffee Cake Quilt Co. of the Facebook page. Thank you so much, everybody, and I hope that you have a wonderful weekend.